Okay, so let's go to the demo. What I'm demoing here is our RA or RF application. And what we're measuring is this TP-Link access point. It's a Wi-Fi 7 access point. So in order to do that testing, what the UXMW is doing is emulating a client. So as far as the access point is concerned, it doesn't realize it's connected with a test instrument. The client that we're emulating inside the UXMW is connecting to the access point, and then we're going to make measurements from an RF perspective of the transmitter of the access point, of the receiver of the access point, and then also the throughput. This first screen here is showing the transmitter measurements. You can see here a lot of common measurements. We've got occupied bandwidth, spectrum emission mask, modulation scheme, and EVM. I can click on one and look at it in detail, come back out, look at other ones. You can see how it's showing the mask for where the limits should be for that test. So that's the transmitter measurements. Let's have a quick look at the receiver measurements. So I can easily click here to packet error rate. I've already done a run here. What it does is it goes through a sequence of events of different powers and tests the packet error rate, and you can see it moving from packet error rate of 0 and then going up to 100% as the powers drop down the waterfall curve for the error rates. So that's how we measure the receiver. And then I can also measure throughput. I can go here and start a throughput test. The tester will then start to generate data, send it across the link, and we'll get a measurement for the IP throughput as we see the data transferring between the tester and the device under test.